Hey guys, so you saw me do my hair because I washed it, and yeah, I'm doing laundry. Well, I just finished my laundry. I actually did my laundry early today. I did my smoothie. This is all I've eaten. That's a lie. I've had Rice Krispie treats and string cheese earlier when I woke up, but the smoothie is the actual meal. Made my butters. That's was like actually a thing I needed to do, so I'm glad I made my butters. I could make more, but I don't have like the containers to do more. If you hear screaming, that is the pit bull. Let's see what else. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I just got an email saying that my Fenty stuff will be here. Well, the first half of it, I ordered the first couple of things New Year's Eve, and then I ordered everything else January 2nd. Yeah. So yeah, the first half of my order will be here Thursday, and then hopefully the second half will be here like Saturday. So that's good. What else? You guys see my hair growing? First of all, it isn't slim. Waves on slim, okay? I use my hair crack that I concoct, so it's like this really nice deep conditioner that I leave in as a leave-in sometimes. And then I put the Emerge gel on top, which is like really watery. And then I put the Lotta Body foam on top. So here we are. Yeah, this is the end, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If it's not, I will see you guys later. Bye.